welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're taking that humble whole grain bread and turning it into something crave-worthy. Grain bread is a fiber-packed powerhouse, but let's be honest, it can feel boring if you don't know what to pair it with. What if I told you a few simple, fresh ingredients could transform it into a meal you'll actually look forward to? I'm sharing 5 delicious, nutritious pairings that will make your whole grain slices the star of any meal. No complicated ingredients, just easy, healthy magic. We're talking maximum flavor for minimum fuss. Grab your favorite loaf and let's get into it. Let's make toast exciting again. First up, the classic avocado toast, but with a delightful upgrade that will tantalize your taste buds. We're taking this breakfast staple to a whole new level. Start with a golden, sturdy slice of grain bread. Opt for something with a good texture and nutty flavor. A hearty base is key to a satisfying toast. Now for the star of the show, a perfectly ripe avocado. It should yield to gentle pressure but not be mushy. Mash it gently with a fork, adding a pinch of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Leaving it a little chunky adds a delightful textural contrast. Spread that creamy green goodness edge to edge on your perfectly toasted bread. Make sure every bite has that avocado richness. Next, top with a soft or hard-boiled egg, sliced into even rounds. The choice is yours, depending on your preferred yolk consistency. The creamy avocado and rich egg yolk create a harmonious blend of flavors, a match made in breakfast heaven. It's a protein-packed duo that will keep you going. Now for the game changer, the secret ingredient that elevates this toast to something truly special. A generous sprinkle of red chili flakes for a touch of heat. Don't be shy, a little spice goes a long way. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness and acidity. The lemon cuts through the richness and adds a zesty kick. This combo is a nutritional powerhouse. Complex carbs from the bread, healthy fats from the avocado, and protein from the egg to keep you full and energized for hours. It's quick, satisfying, and feels like a fancy brunch experience right in the comfort of your own home. Perfect for a weekend treat or a weekday pick-me-up. Every single bite is a delightful experience. Creamy, crunchy, spicy, and tangy all at once. It's a party in your mouth. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring, time-consuming, or complicated. This recipe proves that delicious and nutritious can go hand in hand. This is my absolute go-to for busy mornings when I need something quick, satisfying, and healthy. Ready in under 10 minutes from start to finish. The chili flakes and lemon juice really take it to the next level, adding depth and complexity to the flavor profile. Just try it once and I guarantee you'll be completely hooked. It's that good. It's not just a snack. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will awaken your senses. This isn't just toast. It's a full-blown, satisfying meal. Perfect for a quick and easy breakfast or a light and refreshing lunch. It's simple, reliable, and always incredibly delicious. So give it a try and see for yourself why this avocado toast is a total winner. Ready to move on to the next culinary adventure? Let's keep the deliciousness going. Next, we're heading to the Mediterranean, a region celebrated for its vibrant flavors and healthy ingredients. Get ready to experience a fresh, crisp combo that's both satisfying and incredibly easy to make. This is a toast that brings the sunshine of the Mediterranean right to your plate. Start with a generous, thick layer of creamy hummus. Don't be shy, the hummus is the star of this show, providing a rich and savory base. Spread it evenly on your favorite toasted grain bread. The toasting adds a delightful crunch and enhances the nutty flavor of the bread. Use your favorite store-bought or homemade hummus. Both work wonderfully, so choose whichever you prefer or have on hand. Just make sure it's thick and flavorful. A good quality hummus will really elevate this simple toast. Top with thinly sliced cucumber. The thinner the slices, the better they'll meld with the hummus. Arrange the cucumber slices artfully for a cool, crunchy bite in every mouthful. The contrast of creamy hummus and crisp cucumber is not just delicious, it's also incredibly refreshing. It's a flavor combination that is truly unbeatable, a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Now, for the secret weapon that will take this toast to the next level. It's a generous sprinkle of smoked paprika. It adds a deep, smoky flavor that complements the other ingredients beautifully. The smoked paprika transforms the whole dish, adding a layer of complexity and warmth. The nutty bread provides a solid foundation, the savory hummus adds richness and depth, and the fresh cucumber brings a refreshing coolness. Together, these 3 ingredients are a classic trio, a match made in culinary heaven. The smoked paprika brings warmth and complexity, elevating the simple ingredients to something truly special. This toast is plant-powered, a celebration of the goodness of vegetables and grains. It's packed with fiber and protein, making it a nutritious and satisfying choice. It's light, refreshing, and surprisingly filling, perfect for those times when you want something healthy but don't want to compromise on flavor. Perfect for a light lunch or a quick and easy snack any time of day. There's absolutely no cooking required. Just assemble the ingredients and enjoy the explosion of flavors. It's proof that simple ingredients, when combined thoughtfully, can create something truly gourmet. Creamy, crunchy, smoky, and fresh. A symphony of textures and tastes. It's all there, perfectly balanced, in one delicious bite. Vibrant, healthy, and ready in minutes. What more could you ask for? This is a Mediterranean marvel you'll crave again and again. A taste of sunshine on a slice of bread. Try it on a warm day when you're looking for something light and refreshing. Or enjoy it whenever you need a quick and healthy pick-me-up to brighten your day. Its simple elegance on a slice of bread, a testament to the power of fresh, flavorful ingredients. Now that we've explored the savory delights of the Mediterranean, let's move on to something sweet and equally satisfying. Are you ready to discover the next flavor sensation? Get ready for a sweet treat that will tantalize your taste buds. Sweet tooth? This one's for you. Toast your grain bread until extra crunchy. Spread on natural peanut butter, just peanuts and a little salt. The warmth of the toast makes the peanut butter perfectly melty. Top with ripe banana slices for natural sweetness. The salty peanut butter and sweet banana are a classic combo. Now, sprinkle chia seeds on top for a superfood boost. Chia adds fiber, omega-3s, and a subtle crunch. This toast is a balanced meal complex carbs, healthy fats, protein, and natural sugars. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or post-workout fuel. Satisfies your sweet craving and keeps you energized. Quick, easy, and made with pantry staples. Comfort food that's actually good for you. Swap your cookie for this. You won't regret it. Toasted grain bread, peanut butter, banana, and chia, a winning formula. Sweet, salty, creamy, and crunchy in every bite. A treat you can feel great about. Try it any time of day. Ready for something fresh and savory? Let's keep going. Next up, we're taking inspiration from a classic Italian salad. Get ready for a caprese-inspired toast. A delightful twist on a beloved flavor combination, with a protein twist that will keep you feeling satisfied. This isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a boost for your body too. The foundation of this toast is creamy cottage cheese, providing a luscious texture and a healthy dose of protein. For the best flavor, opt for full-fat or 2% cottage cheese. The higher fat content contributes to a richer, more satisfying taste experience. Spread a generous layer of that creamy goodness. Don't be shy, the cottage cheese is the star of this show, on toasted grain bread. The toasting adds a delightful crunch that complements the creamy cottage cheese. Next, top with juicy fresh tomato slices. The sweetness and acidity of the tomatoes perfectly balance the richness of the cheese. Feel free to use your favorite variety, cherry, grape, or heirloom. Each type offers a unique flavor profile that will enhance your toast. The combination of creamy cheese and sweet tomato is simply unbeatable. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Now, let's add fresh basil. This herb brings a vibrant aroma and a touch of peppery flavor to the toast, for a burst of herbal flavor that elevates the entire dish. Fresh basil is the key to capturing that authentic caprese essence. Tear or slice the basil, depending on your preference. Tearing releases more of the basil's fragrant oils, and scatter it generously on top of the toast. Don't be afraid to use a lot. Basil is the perfect complement to the other flavors. Finally, finish with a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This adds a touch of sweetness and acidity, creating a complex and satisfying flavor profile, for sweet, tangy depth that will tantalize your taste buds. The balsamic glaze is the secret ingredient that takes this toast to the next level. The glaze beautifully ties everything together, harmonizing the flavors of the cottage cheese, tomatoes, and basil, and adds a gourmet touch, making the simple toast feel like a truly special treat. This toast is not only delicious but also high in protein, thanks to the generous layer of cottage cheese. It's light, refreshing, and incredibly satisfying, making it the perfect choice for a quick and healthy meal. It's summer on a slice, capturing the essence of fresh, seasonal ingredients in every bite. Fresh, vibrant, and beautiful, a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Feel free to customize this recipe with ricotta or Greek yogurt if you prefer a different creamy base. The possibilities are endless, so experiment and find what works best for your taste. Every layer of this toast adds flavor and nutrition, making it a wholesome and satisfying meal option. It's perfect for a light and refreshing lunch, providing a boost of energy to get you through the afternoon. Or a quick, elegant snack that will impress your friends and family. It's creamy, tangy, and utterly irresistible. A flavor explosion in every bite. And bursting with garden-fresh taste, bringing the flavors of summer straight to your plate. Ready in minutes, this toast is a lifesaver on busy days when you need a quick and healthy meal, but feels special, making you feel like you're indulging in a gourmet treat without any of the guilt. It's a protein-packed masterpiece that will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. So, make it your own. Experiment with different ingredients and create a toast that reflects your unique taste. With your favorite cheese or herbs, adding your personal touch to this already delicious recipe. It's light yet filling, providing the perfect balance of flavors and nutrients to keep you satisfied. Ideal for any time of day, whether you're craving a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or a satisfying snack. Try this for a taste of summer, anytime, and enjoy the fresh, vibrant flavors of this caprese-inspired toast. Now let's finish our toast journey with a hearty, plant-based option that's packed with flavor and nutrients. On to the final toast. Get ready for a delicious and satisfying plant-based creation. For our last toast, a savory plant-based powerhouse. Press firm tofu, then crumble it for a scrambled egg texture. Season with nutritional yeast, turmeric, black salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a splash of soy sauce. Sauté in olive oil until golden and fragrant. While that cooks, toast your grain bread. In the same pan, sauté garlic and fresh spinach until just wilted. The garlicky greens are the perfect partner for the savory tofu. Pile spinach on your toast, then top with the scrambled tofu. The colors and aromas are irresistible. This meal is loaded with plant protein, iron, and fiber. Hearty, filling, and totally satisfying. A fantastic vegan alternative to scrambled eggs, perfect for brunch or a protein-packed breakfast. The bread soaks up all the flavors, keeps you full and energized for hours. Proof that vegan food can be delicious and hearty, quick, easy, and full of flavor. Try it and see how good plant-based can be. A feast for the senses, no compromise, the ultimate savory toast. Ready for a quick recap? Let's wrap it up. There you have it. 5 delicious, nutritious ways to transform grain bread into crave-worthy meals. From upgraded avocado toast to Mediterranean hummus, sweet peanut butter banana, summery cottage cheese, and hearty tofu scramble, there's something for every craving. These are real meals for real life. Quick, healthy, and full of flavor. Mix and match toppings, swap ingredients, and make them your own. Cooking should be fun and creative. Let these inspire you. Quick recap: avocado plus egg plus chili, hummus plus cucumber, peanut butter plus banana, cottage cheese plus tomato, scrambled tofu plus spinach. Try any of these and let me know your favorite. Like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments or tag me at your handle. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Happy toasting!